The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip7 has the potential to be one of 2025's best-selling foldable phones, continuing the success of its predecessors. Samsung's Flip series remains popular due to its compact design and more affordable price compared to the Z Fold lineup. But will this trend carry into 2025? While nothing has been officially confirmed yet, leaks about the Galaxy Z Flip7 are starting to surface. Based on previous launch patterns, the device is expected to be announced in July, as both the Z Flip 5 and Z Flip 6 were unveiled during that month. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 also started shipping in July, so a similar timeline seems likely for its successor. Pricing rumors suggest that the Galaxy Z Flip 7 might retain the same starting price as the Flip 6, meaning it could launch at $1,099.99, 49 a $1,799. In terms of design, reports indicate that the Z Flip 7 could feature larger displays. The main foldable screen may increase to 6.85 inches, up from 6.7 inches, while the cover screen could expand to around 4 inches, up from 3.4 inches. Additionally, the hinge is expected to be smoother and more durable, with button placement remaining unchanged from the previous model. Camera leaks for the Galaxy Z Flip 7 are minimal so far, but one report suggests that it will feature the same camera setup as the Z Flip 6. If true, this means a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel front-facing camera. This would be somewhat disappointing, so there's hope that later leaks will contradict this claim. However, software improvements and new AI photography features could still enhance the camera experience. On the performance side, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 might be powered by Samsung's Exynos 2500 chipset. While this will likely be the company's most powerful in-house processor for 2025, it may not match the performance of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in the Flip 6 or the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite used in the Galaxy S25 series. Other rumored specs include 12 gigabytes of RAM and storage options of 256 gigabytes or 512 gigabytes, identical to the current model. As more leaks emerge, a clearer picture of the Galaxy Z Flip 7's capabilities will come into focus.